Ever find yourself overpacking for trips? Imagine this scenario. You're battling an oversized suitcase up a multi-level staircase in an unfamiliar city, perspiring profusely, and wishing you had been more selective with what you packed. Or perhaps you've been slapped with a surprise baggage fee at the airport that could have been easily circumvented. Does this ring a bell? No worries, it's a common predicament amongst travelers. But what if we informed you there's a more efficient method? A method that not only saves you from the physical exertion and additional expenses but also instills a sense of liberation and simplicity in your journeys. Today, we're simplifying your travel with a minimalist packing list for a week-long adventure, covering climate and occasion. Stay tuned as we delve into the minimalist packing approach in the coming scene and instruct you on how to perfect it. Get ready to transform your travel experience. So, what is minimalist packing, you ask? Let's demystify it. Minimalist packing, as the name suggests, is all about carrying only the essentials for your trip. It's about making conscious decisions to pack less, yet ensuring you have everything you need. It's not about depriving yourself of necessities, but rather freeing yourself from the burden of excess. The benefits of minimalist packing are plentiful. For starters, it gives you greater mobility. How great would it be to easily maneuver through crowded airports or bustling city streets? Next, it cuts down your travel costs. No more extra baggage fees. And lastly, it simplifies your travel experience. No more rummaging through a cluttered suitcase to find that one elusive item. It's a before and after suitcase transformation that leaves you feeling lighter, more organized, and ready for adventure. So, ready to embrace this lighter, smarter way of traveling? First things first, let's talk about the core essentials, the backbone of your travel wardrobe. The goal is to pack versatile clothing items that can play multiple roles. Think of a pair of jeans that can be dressed up or down, a black t-shirt that can be worn on its own or under a jacket, and a dress that can be transformed from day to night with the right accessories. The key to minimalist packing is layering. You'll want to think in 3 layers: base, mid, and outer. Your base layer is the clothing that's closest to your skin, like undershirts and leggings. The mid layer includes sweaters and light jackets that provide insulation. Your outer layer is your protection against the elements. Think rain jackets or windbreakers. Let's talk fabrics. Opt for materials that are breathable, quick-drying, and wrinkle-resistant. Merino wool, for example, is a traveler's best friend. It's lightweight, keeps you warm or cool depending on the weather, and doesn't retain odors. Synthetic materials such as nylon and polyester are also great choices as they dry quickly and are easy to care for. Lastly, don't forget about shoes. A comfortable pair of walking shoes is a must, and a second pair for more formal occasions is a good idea. Remember, versatility is key. Now let's adapt these core essentials to different climates. Heading to a beach or a sun-soaked city? Here's what to pack. When embarking on a trip to a warm climate, lightweight and breathable clothing is your best friend. Think linen shirts, cotton dresses, and shorts. They'll keep you cool while you're exploring, and they won't weigh down your luggage. Don't forget about sun protection, it's a must-have no matter where you're headed. Pack a broad-brimmed hat, a pair of UV-protecting sunglasses, and a tube of high SPF sunscreen. For footwear, versatility is key. A pair of comfortable walking shoes for daytime adventures and a pair of sandals for beach days or casual evenings out should do the trick. With these items, you'll be prepared for the heat and still have room in your luggage for those irresistible souvenirs. Remember, minimalist packing doesn't mean compromising on comfort or style. With these, you're all set for a warm weather getaway. For those snowy peaks and chilly winds, here's your cold weather packing guide. Let's begin with insulation. This is where the magic of layering comes into play. Start with a moisture-wicking base layer to keep you dry, add a warm mid-layer like a fleece, and seal it all with an insulated waterproof outer layer. For your feet, thermal socks are a must, and when it comes to boots, look for something waterproof, insulated, and with good traction for those slippery surfaces. Next, your coat. Choose one that's insulated, long enough to cover your hips, and with a hood to protect against that biting wind. Don't forget your gloves, a warm hat, and a scarf. They might seem like small items, but they make a world of difference in keeping you warm. And let's not forget thermal underwear. It's lightweight but packs a mighty punch against the cold. With these essentials, you're ready to brave the cold. Don't let a little rain dampen your travel spirit. Here's how to prepare. When it comes to rainy conditions, a waterproof jacket is your first line of defense. Look for one that's lightweight, breathable, and easily packable. It should ideally have a hood to protect your head and adjustable cuffs to keep the water out. Next, a portable umbrella is a handy tool to have. Opt for a compact, wind-resistant one that can easily fit in your day bag. It's a quick solution when rain takes you by surprise. Lastly, consider packing quick-dry clothing. These are usually made of synthetic materials like nylon or polyester that dry off rapidly. They're great because you won't have to wait around for your clothes to dry if you get caught in a downpour. By including these items in your minimalist travel gear, you can ensure that even the rainiest days won't slow you down. With these, you're rain-ready. Moving beyond clothes, let's discuss tech, toiletries, and tools. In the age of technology, it's easy to get carried away with gadgets, but remember, the goal is minimalist travel. Consider multi-use tech items like a smartphone that doubles as a camera or a compact power bank with built-in flashlight. Next, let's tackle toiletries. Opt for a minimalist toiletry kit. Choose travel-sized items or consider solid toiletries like shampoo bars. Don't forget a small first aid kit because preparedness is paramount. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of compact, multi-purpose tools. A Swiss Army knife, for example, can be a lifesaver in unexpected situations. It's a corkscrew, a can opener, a pair of scissors, and more, all rolled into one pocket-sized device. Remember, packing light doesn't mean leaving behind essentials. It's about choosing items that are versatile, compact, and serve multiple purposes. These are the small but mighty travel essentials. Before you zip up that suitcase, here's a quick last-minute checklist. Let's begin with your important documents: passport, tickets, driver's license, and any required visas. Don't forget health-related items like your prescriptions, glasses, or contact lenses, and a mini first aid kit. Lastly, remember the miscellaneous essentials: chargers, travel adapters, and a reusable water bottle. A good book or a playlist for the journey won't hurt either. Tick these off, and you're good to go. Now that we've got everything, let's pack smart. The art of packing isn't just about what you bring, but how you organize it. First up, let's talk clothes. Rolling clothes rather than folding them not only saves space but also reduces wrinkles. Jeans, sweaters, and anything made of cotton are prime candidates for rolling. Next, let's talk packing cubes. These lifesavers compartmentalize your suitcase and keep everything in its place. Use them to group similar items together, like all your shirts in one cube and your socks and underwear in another. And remember, always leave a little room for memories. You might find a souvenir or two that you want to bring back, or maybe you'll need extra space for that chunky sweater you bought on a whim. Packing doesn't have to be a chore. With these tips, you'll be able to pack efficiently, maximize your suitcase space, and start your adventure stress-free. And voila, you're a packing pro now. Embrace the freedom of minimalist travel. Feel the liberation of having just what you need, nothing more. If you found value in this video and want more tips to simplify your travel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for updates. We'd also love to hear from you. Do you have any minimalist packing secrets, any go-to items you never leave home without? Share your wisdom in the comments. Remember, travel light, travel smart. Until next time.